I grew up in Southern California, in Orange County. We lived there till I was about 13, and then we moved to New England. So I think, like most people, if you grow up on the ocean, I literally was on the ocean, you naturally are drawn to it in many ways. And so I started just doing little goofy tricks and experiments with hermit crabs. My curiosity got to me, and it seemed to me a natural progression to become an ocean scientist. I'm Cindy Pilskaln, and I'm a professor of oceanography here at UMass Dartmouth, SMAST. SMAST is the School for Marine Science and Technology. We're out at the south end of New Bedford. Like many of us here, scientists and oceanographers in general, we really love what we do. I'd say 99% of us, we had that first time sea experience. That was it. We were hooked. Oh, well, I mean, I've been extremely fortunate in terms of my research. I mean, I figured out early on when I was a graduate student that travel could be a part of my life. Because of that, I have worked in some very amazing places. The Black Sea, Rift Lakes in East Africa, and in Siberia and Lake Baikal. I worked in the Antarctic. I don't know what else to describe the Antarctic other than you think you've landed on another planet. My field is focused on looking at pathways through which the ocean takes up atmospheric carbon dioxide. Specifically, where all the atmospheric CO2 from burning fossil fuels, where that has gone. We know that through photosynthesis, algae removes CO2 from the atmosphere and it creates what we call this rain of material. What we want to do is intercept that. So we put these instruments out called sediment traps. So we leave them out from 6 months to a year, and what we're able to do is measure the chemistry of that material as it sinks. From that, we know that the ocean has been actually moderating the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere for a long time. But what we're starting to see is evidence of reaching a limit. University of Massachusetts, in particular UMass Dartmouth, has a dedication to what we're dedicated to. They recognize that this area of work is important for the natural resources that we depend upon, climate, to provide understanding for where to build houses based on how sea level is going to change. All of that is something that's a global issue but has a local impact. It's very exciting to be part of a program within a region with a lot of rich opportunities for studying ocean sciences. I set out to get a PhD in something I thought I would spend my whole life doing. It was everything I ever wanted it to be, and I got to go to sea. There can't be anything better than that.